I'm a reporter with KESQ News Channel 3 and CBS Local 2 News here in the Coachella Valley. And I am born and raised here in the desert. I grew up in Cathedral City and now live in Indio, and got to be the MC tonight in Coachella for the wonderful tree lighting ceremony. We are here in Pueblo Viejo of Coachella. It is the heart of this town, just outside of City Hall for the tree lighting ceremony. It's an annual event and it just brings together families and people throughout the city and across the valley here for one night to celebrate the holidays. All that Christmas is about, bringing people together, lighting a beautiful Christmas tree, and being able to celebrate together with music, food, and celebrating our students here as well in the Coachella Valley. This is an annual Christmas tree lighting. All cities have it throughout the Coachella Valley, but there's just something extra special about Coachella, one of the oldest cities here in our desert, and it's just a beautiful way to bring together the culture and the families of all ages, from seniors to children who come to play, who come to sit on Santa's lap and take pictures. It's just a great way to kick off the holiday season and get people into the Christmas spirit. Tonight I was asked to be the mistress of ceremonies, that is the MC of the Christmas tree lighting, and it's been such an honor to be here and be a part of this city, give back, and represent this city as wonderful as it is, and to guide everyone through this Christmas tree lighting and to count down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, all the way down to 1 to light up this beautiful tree and just get the holidays started. As mistress of ceremonies for the tree lighting ceremony, I want to say thank you and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone who made this possible and everyone who came out to support and celebrate the wonderful holiday season right here in Coachella.